nettle patch in the woods. Wow. Alright, I just got myself a little bag. There you go. Do I eat this? Do I eat this? The garb, when I garbed on my plate, I ran out of space. So Rosali wanted to know if I ate that. Yes, I wouldn't have cooked it and put it on the plate if I didn't eat it. I'm going to eat some raw for you to show you because I don't have time to cook while I'm outdoors collecting this stuff. I'm squishing it up in my hand without getting stung. I ate 3 pieces earlier. This is a huge patch of nettle. There we go. That's a strange bird or somebody's got some messed up brakes. Is that the weed police? Cindy, is it the weed police? Alright, there's a nice patch of nettle. Miss Lovey's waiting on the side. Gotta go. Creekside. That's where you find it.